Hello guys, and into this video I'm gonna show you how to make a free logo and how I make my logo. So let's get started. First of all, type Namecheap in your browser, namecheap.com/logo maker, and click enter, or go into the link in the description. Now we will see this page, so click on create logo and this will pop up, which is asking you for your company name and your category of the company, So yeah, probably type the name of your company and the category. Right now you will ask some basic options like font and color. So now it will ask for your company's logo, but if you don't like this, so this is just optional. As you can see, now it's asking for icons. So you can find, you could type here for icon search and just look at maximum 3 icons, select maximum 3 icons. So as you can see, I'm selecting, and this is the third one. So yeah. After that, click continue. And yeah, probably it's done. This is all of it. So just select your style and yeah, select your logo and edit it. So I'm editing my logo right now, and I will tell you how to download it on the end. So I'm done with editing. Yep, just I'm gonna set my layout. So yeah. So when you're done, click on sign up and log in to download. So if you have account on Namecheap, just type username and password. If you have not created an account, just click on sign up. So I'm basically done the logo immediately starts download after I clicked, and yeah, just open the zip archive and there's your logo. If you want, extract it and use it anywhere, it's free. And yeah, so if you want to create business cards, that's not. So bye guys, and see you later in the next video.